Alright, Justin's gonna show us his new Deere 330.
Yeah.
Go ahead and get in there and shut the door. That way you stay dry.
There's a hole burnt in the radio.
There's what?
Somebody dropped a cigarette ash on the radio.
Here, shut the door. I don't want you to get wet in there.
Yeah, I know.
Don't let the glass fall out on you. Go ahead and start it up. Let's hear this beauty run.
I hear a click.
Clicking's
I'm
on.
afraid to sit that website.
Well, hurry up and start it. Ain't nothing but a tick. My style? That's your window of excellence. Hey, think of the money you'll save on Windex. You got some protection?
Yeah, everything, you know, you just need that one. I can't get out.
Cut that son of a bitch.